Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we find the value of this fraction 8 minus 4 multiplied by 2 over 2. Now we solve it by the rules of mathematics PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS rule, first we solve parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication or division, and then addition or subtraction. First of all we solve numerator, then we solve denominator. Numerator 8 minus 4 multiplied by 2 and denominator is 2. So according to the rule, first of all we solve multiplication, then we solve subtraction. So 4 times 2 they give us 8 and 8 minus 8 divided by 2 and 8 minus 8 they give us 0 divided by 2. 0 divided by 2 they give us 0. So the final answer is 0. So the final answer is 0. Thanks for watching.